You left access, you went to ownership. Now the scratch of a rim is on 15,000. Ownership makes you wild. The younger one said to the source, give me my share of the estate. The father never said there was a share. So the biggest problem in our world today is the word ownership. Tell your neighbor, say ownership. Everyone wants to own. So he said, I'm tired of being here. I need my own share, my own portion. And I'll go. So he divided his property between them. Notice what the Bible says. His property. That means the source knew you don't have a share. It's my money that I'm giving you. I wish I could just get 2 or 3 of you to get it. Now hear this. Not long after that, the younger son, now imagine after taking his share, he even stayed at home. The Bible says not long after that. That means he even stayed a few days after getting his share. Who was this? Whose money was he spending? The source. So he told the source, I need something. This is the disease of Africa. Africa's disease is ownership. This is the reason why you folk, you have one tuck shop there, 2 minutes from there, one tuck shop, 200 meters, one tuck shop, 15 meters, tuck shop. They even greet each other every morning. How are you? Good morning. Why can't you fools join together? Create one big supermarket. We are not united as a people. We are divided, and guess what? Other races are united. And they know exactly. Do you know Microsoft is not Bill Gates who is the only billionaire? In the whole company. There are other billionaires there. You thought it was only him. TikTok is owned by many billionaires. It's not just Elon Musk you think of. And X. Now this one, Larry Ellison, has taken over the TikTok side of it. Americans, but inside they will be combining. X itself, he even called the guy who now bought TikTok, said join me in this one, and wanted 1 billion from him. Billionaires are connecting. They can buy it, but they won't. Now you. And some of you, because you like to own, that's why I've never given you a car. This whole year, we are not, maybe over 27 cars we have given so far. Yes, in this year, this very year. Yes, why is it that we skipped you who has been with us for 7 years? We know the day we give you, it becomes your own. Your sister will stop and say, my minister, we are going to the same church. I say, how are the children? It's good. We'll see you. We'll see you. We'll say, I just need to rush now. Because you are in the ownership mentality. You are never thinking it's for us. You are thinking it's for you. So some people we give, we know exactly their hearts. We know this car will be used for this. This car will remain the community car. Although they can sell it, they can do whatever they want with it. But if they see somebody from this community, they'll say, get in. We are going. Am I talking to somebody? Let's go. Not long after that, the younger son got together. All he had. Notice, not all that was his. He had been given by the source. Set off for a distant country, and they squandered his wealth in wild living when it's not yours. Wild. This guy was wild. Ownership makes you wild. I said ownership makes you what? Wild. So the biggest problem with us is we are too wild because we like to own. Give me my thing. Give me. You are give me. Now, you want something that belongs to you. You never want something that belongs to the family. How many don't open their letters? I don't. How many? You just see it, boom. You know exactly that this is me owing $200. This is 200. I don't need to open this. The moment you look at it, it's from the council. You know it's water. You know. Why? Bills are a result of you moving out of your parents' house. So the source is no longer paying for you. You're now paying. The power of access. The power of ownership. My kids, I told you before, they wake up 3 a.m. One time I met them downstairs. They're down there. They're already in the refrigerator looking for food. Really taking food. It's there. Not one of them thought, who bought the food? Where are we getting the money? Never. They just wake up, they get in their house, flip the switch, lights will come on. Did you pay the bills? They don't care. What do they have? They have access over ownership. What Christianity lacks is access. We join together, 10 of us. We create a community. We can have access into the same money. We will never do it as black people. Never. I need to pass by your house and tell you, come to my house and see what I bought. It's the reason why our community will buy houses first. You work for years to build a house which you live in. Stupidity, stupidity. A house is a liability. Anything that doesn't bring you money is a liability. You can only have a house when you have another house where you can get rent. Now, right now, I know what if I say, what do you want? You'll be like, if I can just have my own house. Because you're thinking of showing your friends that don't like you, that will gossip about you when you're gone. And if you die, you will leave it to your wife who will get married to another man. Oh, it's a prophecy now. It's a prophecy. Hey, I need to paint this picture to you so that you get it. Imagine you are dead, you are in your grave. If your eyes will open and you just say, go and see what is happening to your mansion. You go there, you arrive. One man is kissing your wife in the house you bought, which is yours. Hey, you become a ghost, my friend. A very troublesome spirit. Say to your neighbor, neighbor, a house is a liability. I said to my son, UJ, go and stay at the house. I don't stay there anymore. It's a huge mansion. So go stay there. It's like, I want to stay here, I want to stay here. I said, okay, stay wherever you want to stay. He said, I'm going to buy my Rolls Royce. I said, no, buy. You have money, buy it. But you can drive the ones I left there. He's like, I need to buy my own. I said, please, go ahead. He bought a Rolls Royce. Oh, his own. But a Rolls Royce is driving. A cab. You know the cab? The rim. He said, Dad, I scratched my rim. I'm going to fix it tomorrow. I said, no problem. Go ahead. He got there and the scratch to remove it was almost $15,000. He called me. He's like, Dad, can I tell you something? I said, how much? How much? I knew exactly where we were going with this conversation. How much? You left access, you went to ownership. Now the scratch of a rim is on 15,000. Now everything he buys, he calls me, is like, because of you, Dad. I have a new car because of you, or because of you. So I know he's tuning into access more than ownership. By him saying, or because of you, he's saying it's your car. I know you're not driving it, it's yours. So when the bills come, he can call me. You're not getting it. But I'm ahead of time, I'm smart.